Imagine a world where robots, smaller than a human hair, can navigate through your body, delivering targeted treatments and performing intricate tasks at a molecular level. Welcome to the world of nanorobotics. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie, but an exciting reality in the realm of science and technology, where boundaries are continuously pushed. These nanorobots, invisible to the naked eye, work in a realm that's beyond our typical understanding of size and scale. To put it in perspective, a strand of human hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide, and these robots, they measure in at just 1 to 100 nanometers. That's shockingly tiny. But don't let their size fool you. These minuscule machines have the potential to revolutionize fields like medicine, environmental science, and even space exploration. Now let's take a closer look at what nanorobotics is and how it works. A nanorobotics is the technology of creating machines or robots at or close to the microscopic scale of a nanometer, which is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. It's a field that combines elements of robotics and nanotechnology, two cutting-edge branches of science and engineering that have been making waves in the 21st century. The concept of nanorobotics was first proposed in the late 20th century, inspired by the world of science fiction. But it wasn't until the dawn of the 21st century that we saw the first practical applications of this concept. Today, nanorobotics is a rapidly growing field, with researchers around the world working on developing nanoscale machines that could revolutionize everything from medicine to manufacturing. So, how small are these nanorobots, you might ask? Imagine a strand of human hair. Now imagine something about 100,000 times smaller than that. That's roughly the size of these minuscule machines. At this scale, they are invisible to the naked eye and can only be seen under a powerful microscope. The science behind nanorobotics is complex and involves manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular level. To build a nanorobot, scientists use techniques like self-assembly, where they design the components in such a way that they naturally come together to form the desired structure. Controlling these tiny machines is another challenge. They are too small for conventional motors or gears. Instead, they are often designed to respond to specific environmental stimuli such as temperature, pH, or the presence of certain chemicals. This allows them to perform tasks autonomously, without the need for external control. Nanorobotics is truly a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to manipulate the world around us at even the smallest scales. It's a field that's still in its infancy, but the potential applications are vast and incredibly exciting. With such a fascinating concept, you might be wondering, what can these tiny machines do? The potential of nanorobotics is vast and stretches across numerous fields. Imagine, if you will, a world where tiny machines, invisible to the naked eye, are working tirelessly to make our lives better. In the realm of medicine, these minuscule marvels could revolutionize how we treat disease. Nanobots could be programmed to seek out and destroy cancer cells, leaving healthy cells untouched. This could drastically reduce the side effects associated with conventional treatments like chemotherapy. Moreover, they could deliver drugs directly to the affected area, improving efficacy and reducing systemic effects. In environmental science, nanobots could be employed to clean up oil spills, remove harmful toxins from water, or monitor air quality in real time. They could even be designed to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to combat climate change. Manufacturing, too, could be transformed by nanorobotics. Nanoscale machines could assemble products at the molecular level, making manufacturing processes more efficient, less wasteful, and capable of producing items with unprecedented precision and complexity. In the world of computing, nanobots could be used to create ultra-dense memory chips, leading to devices that are smaller, faster, and more powerful than anything we have today. And these are just the beginning. The possibilities are as numerous as they are fascinating. We could see nanobots used in agriculture to optimize plant growth and protect crops from pests. In the energy sector, they could help to develop more efficient solar panels or even nuclear fusion reactors. The potential of the minuscule is truly awe-inspiring. It's like we've been given the keys to a new universe. A microscopic world where we can manipulate matter and engineer solutions on a scale that was once thought to be the realm of science fiction. But the journey into the microscopic world is not without its challenges. We're still in the early stages of understanding and harnessing this technology. There are technical hurdles to overcome, ethical questions to answer, and potential risks to manage. But the promise of nanorobotics is so great that these challenges are just stepping stones on the path to a future where the power of the tiny can be fully realized. While the potential of nanorobotics is vast, realizing this potential is a challenging feat. Now, as we delve deeper into the minuscule world of nanorobotics, we must also examine the hurdles that this technology must overcome. Firstly, there are the technical challenges. The construction and control of these micro-machines is no small task. Imagine trying to build a car that's smaller than a grain of sand, powered by a motor that's the size of a single molecule. The precise manufacturing and control of these nanobots require advanced tools and techniques that are still under development. Moreover, the nanoworld operates under different laws of physics. At this scale, the forces we are used to, like gravity, become almost irrelevant, while others, such as the van der Waals forces, take center stage. This means that navigating these nanobots through our bodies, for instance, becomes a complex exercise in fluid dynamics. Secondly, there are ethical considerations. If we can send nanobots into our bodies, who controls them? What happens if they malfunction or are used with malicious intent? These are questions that need to be addressed before nanorobotics can be widely adopted. Lastly, the regulatory landscape for nanorobotics is still undefined. It's a new frontier, and current laws and regulations might not adequately cover the use of these technologies. There is an urgent need for policymakers, scientists, and ethicists to come together to create a framework that ensures the safe and responsible use of nanorobotics. These challenges might seem daunting. However, as we've seen time and time again, human ingenuity and perseverance have a way of turning the seemingly impossible into the possible. Scientists and researchers around the world are tirelessly working on overcoming these hurdles. They are developing new manufacturing techniques, studying the behavior of nanobots in different environments, and engaging in important dialogues about the ethical and regulatory implications of this technology. Despite these challenges, the field of nanorobotics continues to make strides forward. The journey into the microscopic world of nanomachines is a challenging one, but with each passing day, we are getting closer to realizing the immense potential of these tiny titans. As we continue to overcome these challenges, the future of nanorobotics is promising. Picture a world where minuscule robots can journey through our bodies, delivering targeted treatments to diseased cells, while leaving healthy ones untouched. It sounds like the stuff of science fiction, doesn't it? But it's a reality we're inching closer to every day. This isn't just about the future of medicine, but the future of technology and innovation. As scientists and engineers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're likely to see significant advancements in nanorobotics. One of the key areas of development is the creation of nanobots that can self-replicate, using raw materials found in their environment to create copies of themselves. Imagine a swarm of these tiny robots working in unison to repair a damaged organ or clean up an oil spill. Another exciting prospect is the development of nanorobots capable of assembling and disassembling at will. This would allow them to navigate through the tiniest of spaces and adapt to a variety of tasks. It's a concept that could revolutionize everything from surgery to environmental cleanup. Then there's the potential for nanorobots in the realm of data storage. As we continue to generate vast amounts of data, the need for compact, efficient storage solutions grows. Nanorobots could one day be used to encode information at the molecular level, offering a solution that's both tiny and incredibly powerful. These advancements aren't without their challenges, of course. There are ethical considerations, technical hurdles, and regulatory issues to navigate. But as we continue to explore the potential of nanorobotics, we're sure to find solutions to these problems, just as we have in the past. The world of nanorobotics is as fascinating as it is complex. It's a world that holds promise for our future and one that we'll continue to explore. So, there you have it, a journey into the microscopic world of nanorobotics. We've navigated the minuscule yet expansive universe of nanoscale machines capable of performing intricate tasks within the human body. From delivering targeted treatments to performing microsurgery, these tiny marvels are redefining the boundaries of medical science. We've unveiled the fascinating world of nanorobotics, delving into how these machines work, their potential applications, and the challenges they address. The potential of nanomachines could revolutionize our approach to disease treatment and prevention, opening up a world of possibilities. However, it's not without its hurdles. The challenges of operating at the nanoscale level are significant, but with ongoing research and advancements, The future of nanorobotics looks promising and exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Brainiacata for more fascinating science content. Until next time, keep exploring.